No, Agnes fabrication, son, this is crazy. I don't know how to weigh these people up. They fucking passed out. Go for you. You know people gonna call on them soon. At least make sure they're still alive, bro. Look, check this out. That's it. Go. Go. Bro. Y'all okay? Okay, now I'm just making sure you're okay, love. Like, you know, there's people out and stuff. I don't want him to call the cops on you. Is he okay?
Yeah, we're good.
Huh?
We're good.
He's good? Because he ain't waking up for me. Yeah, he moved, he's good. Okay, I just wanted to make sure y'all was good, love. I'm a recovering addict. I know how it is. I've been 6 years clean, so I ain't here to judge you. I just wanted to make sure y'all was good. Yes, ma'am. Y'all all right? And there you go. You're good. I just needed to make sure they was alive, bro. I was all the way down the street. I couldn't do that, though. I had to make sure that they was alive, bro. I could not consciously walk away from that and not realize if they was living or not, you know? That was hard to tell. Shorty wasn't even moving at first, but when I kicked him the last time, he moved. The next step is, you know, a neighbor's gonna call the cops on him. The cops are gonna arrest him or something like that instead of giving him help or put him in jail. Let them go through the worst damn detox of their life, not caring, you know what I mean? And that's what turns them into criminals, right? Because when you put an addict in prison or in jail and they got to go through that detox, somebody on a tear hollers out, y'all got some of that in here, yo. What you think they're going to do, bro? They're going to scheme, they're going to steal, they're going to rob, they might even hit somebody. Now, when you got somebody to that point, yo, I promise you, you destroyed that person's character. Now you've made an animal out of that person. Take what I know through experience, bro. Once you cause a person to have to turn to that level, anything that you knew about that person before they went into a place like that is now gone. I'll leave you with that. Let that marinate a while. That's why I believe that we should get the addicts the help that they need and not just answer it with prison. It's cool, I guess, that people that own private prisons get $2,000 a day per head in prison. And that's why they got that old saying, they got room for you, and don't worry, if they don't, they'll make room for you. They'll build something. Believe that. Think about that. The private prison industry is a monster. And that's all it is anymore. Walking